relationship and make a contribution right now. Don't put it off, and especially if you are a fan of Jessie. You got 24 minutes left to give during this really short membership drive. She's going to be scooching on out of here at 1 o'clock. 888-995-9272, classicalwcrb.org.
The goal right now is to raise $2,900 in listener contributions in the next 24 minutes. We need the financial support of everyone who loves and relies on WCRB to make this short drive a success. So if you can, please make that contribution. We need you. Online at classicalwcrb.org, 888-995-9272.
Nope, they'll blame it on something else. The sources got things wrong, however they choose to do it. But the truth is, everything the media claimed about Breonna Taylor's death was a lie. They claimed that she was shot during a no-knock warrant. False. Not true. There was not a no-knock warrant. The media claimed that Breonna Taylor was shot in her bed. That's not true. The media claimed Breonna Taylor was murdered. That's not true. It was an accident. Virtually everything the media and lawyer Ben Crump have claimed about the death of Breonna Taylor and the circumstances around her death was based on lies. Officials in Kentucky allowed a mountain of lies to grow until the evidence was finally presented to a grand jury and the Kentucky Attorney General was forced to admit the truth. According to evidence revealed at a press conference by the Attorney General Daniel Cameron, the police executed a search warrant by knocking on the door. Breonna Taylor and her boyfriend, Kenneth Walker, refused to answer the door after the police identified themselves. The police then broke down the door. Kenneth Walker was armed. He shot first at the police. The police returned fire, and that's how Breonna Taylor was shot and killed. No police officers, thus, were charged with the death of Breonna Taylor because they were responding to being fired upon. It appears that this Kenneth Walker guy used Breonna Taylor as a shield. One officer, Brett Hankerson, whose name you've now heard over and over again, who did not shoot any person, was charged with wanton endangerment for haphazardly firing 10 shots that entered the adjacent apartment unit.